Dawn spills over Maple Hollow as hens announce the day, and a sleepy farmer gears up for chores and coffee. Mud-splashed boots lead to the orchard where pruning shears gossip with wind, and a misfit goat becomes a patient mentor. A stubborn irrigation line teaches problem-solving as neighbors brainstorm, improvise, and finally discover a shortcut saving water. Over dinner, stories flow about piglets learning to nap in sync and a calf who refused to walk until a tune played. By sunset, the day ends with triumph, a harvest bin filled a lesson learned, and a promise to laugh tomorrow.